really hate that light right there. It's got this OBD2 scanner results on my 2022 Ram 2500 Tradesman 4-wheel drive P0441, and it has to do with the evaporative emission system, that it has an incorrect purge flow for a predetermined period of time. Probably has to do with the fact that I overfilled my gas tank. I overfilled it once. I think a couple hours later that check engine light came on, so we're gonna fix it. Leaving AutoZone, this is the part you need. It's called the purge flow valve. So let's go home, replace the old one with the new one. Some of the other YouTubers out there, content creators, said that that's one of the possible reasons that will cause the purge flow valve to either lock up or not properly let those gas fumes flow from the gas tank into the engine to be burned. P0441 or the V24250. Okay, this plastic cover just pops off, and the first thing we have to remove is this red clip. It has these two wings on top and bottom, and just spread them open and hold your finger at the front so it doesn't fly away. So that red clip first. To remove this hose or gasket, there's this white tab on the right side here that you can't see. Push that in, forward, and then back. Or just grab something to be able to push that clip in. There we go. Push it back toward the firewall. Just like that. All right, next thing we're gonna do is remove the valve from the hanger, which is just a little bit of shaking. Yeah, it's got this rubber grommet right here that sits on this plastic hanger. Then you can move the electrical, and it comes right off. And the last thing to remove is the hose. Yeah, just twist, wiggle, and there we go. That's the old one. Let's replace it with the new one. First thing we're gonna do is put on this hose, and it just locks in once you push it on. Then get the electrical, connect it, clicks in place. Then we put the valve back on the hanger, just slide in nice and snug. There we go, just like that. And now we should be able to push this piece back on. There you go, clicks in place. Don't forget the last piece here, the little red clip. Slide it on, and just like that, the new valve is in place. And you can leave the cover off if you want. Slide it back in, there we go. Right there, and here, there we go. And you're done. So after changing the valve and getting a brand new gas cap, I went to AutoZone to have the check engine light deleted, and we'll know here within the next couple of weeks whether everything is good or not. We changed that valve when the mileage was at 65,717. We're at 65,905, so almost 200 miles later, and there's no check engine light. So we should be good. That should be the answer. At least it was for me. The AutoZone tech said that after deleting a check engine light, typically it takes about 90 miles to let you know if you fixed the problem or not. So we're almost at 200 miles, so we should be good. Again, it was probably my fault. I overfilled the gas tank quite a bit. The gas was actually pushed out of the tank there at the gas station, so I'm pretty sure it was my fault. Let me know your guys' experience with the newer Ram trucks. This one's a 2022 2500 Tradesman. It's a 6.4 liter gas. And I got the gas because I had a GMC 2500 Denali, a 2014 diesel. Now I have a gas 2500 just to see the difference. That way it's gonna help me decide on whether I get a gas or a diesel truck for my next purchase. Let me know your guys' experience. If you liked the video, if it helped you, please comment, like, share, and of course subscribe. Help the channel grow. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. So any way you guys can help me do that, I'd greatly appreciate it. Going forward, I'm going to keep doing what I do, making videos on tools, tech, DIYs, and deals.